Hey guys, Kids Filming here, and today we're gonna make some awesome lemonade. That's pretty good. So in order to make lemonade, what you're going to need is a electric lemon squeezer, or you could go old-fashioned and do a hand one, but what I have available is this. Some measuring cups, a cup, and a teaspoon thing, some Splenda, and sugar, and of course, lemons. Of course, you need lemons. No lemons, just remember to always wash your hands right before you do any cooking work or anything like that. It's always important to do that. So, what you're going to do is you're going to need to cut the lemons. So if you're going to cut the lemons and you are a kid or a teenager, just have adult supervision or have an adult cut the lemons for you. But what I'm going to do is I'm not going to have my fingers out like that, because that wouldn't be good. I would probably cut my fingers, and that's not good. So what you do is you take the lemon and you hold it like this. You're just bending your fingers just like this, and you're holding the lemon just like this towards this side and trying to cut right down the middle. Just gonna poke it through first.
So what I'm doing is I'm just going to keep cutting the lemons.
Right, and
the lemons, I'm going to try to get the seeds out with the
make
knife.
sure that you're not gonna cut
Now that
fingers.
all the lemons are cut, which
Get
is
the lemon
3,
and the knife
we
at
now
all times.
have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Very important.
We have 6
Right?
lemon halves that we can squeeze. Alright?
Alright, so I'm gonna squeeze the lemons, and there's settings on this, and right here is minimum pulp, and then there's maximum pulp. Oh gosh. Sorry, I don't know where my tripod is. I just moved, so I have to compromise to a teapot, coffee pot, and a drawer thing that I just opened but you couldn't see. Oh well, but whatever. So again, back to this. So that's maximum pulp, that's setting right there. And then this has not as much pulp. This is like half pulp, half not pulp. This is a little bit of pulp. This is even more little bit of pulp. And if you turn it all the way, it's like no pulp at all. So I'm gonna put it right here, so there's a little bit of pulp, but not a lot, because I don't really like the taste of pulp that much, but it's pretty healthy for you, so that's good. And I'm just gonna give this thing a little rinse, because it looks a little nasty. Okay, now that that's rinsed, wow, okay, rinsed, we are going to put this right on the lemon squeezer, and it's going to go in this thing right here, and then there's this right here. When you push it, it moves. So technically what you're doing is this, but the only thing is, this is on here, right? And the lemon's gonna be right here, right? And when you press down on it, it moves like this, okay? So you just plug it into an outlet if you have one of these things. Put it to the setting you want to on pulp if it has that available. And you take your lemons and you start squeezing. And once your lemon is fully squeezed, and when it kind of gets like this, but I've got to squeeze a little bit more. Quite a lot of lemon juice. And a big mess, It's all the cold. And then there's a few seeds in there, and we're gonna just put this in the sink now. And remind, it's better to hold with 2 hands than just one. Eating 3 lemons. It doesn't go okay, I think that's about good. So when the lemon looks about like this, it doesn't say like cups or anything like that, that's when you should stop squeezing and you should move on to the next lemon. Also, I want to show you that if you didn't scrape out all the seeds with the knife, or your parent did, you see that the seeds
now
catch
that
in
we
that's
have put the water in and we squeeze the
not
lemons,
a lot of people
we are
really
going to put stevia and the sugar in.
have seeds.
So I'm going to start off with 5 packets of stevia.
Okay.
That is 4.
But
Now it is 5. Okay.
Ow.
So I'm just going to shake it up a little. And then
Just a
going to
reminder,
put it into
when you get lemon
the
juice in your
container.
fingernails or under your fingernails, it hurts. Okay, so be careful of that. All right. And I'm just gonna continue squeezing these lemons. Okay. A big tablespoon to mix it up and a teaspoon to taste test it. So now it's a little I wouldn't say overflowing, but it's a little high, the lemonade, so you just have to be careful to stir in. Alright, I'm just gonna taste it a little. Alright. It's a bit sour, so I think I'm gonna add a little more sugar. That's what I'm gonna do. From here on out, you do not have to watch this video because I'm really just taste testing and manipulating the recipe. Just putting the sugar in, say it's a heaping teaspoon. Spread it all around. And now we're just going to mix it up. And if we want to add more sugar or stevia, we can just test it, right? Really what I'm doing is just, I was following the recipe that I saw, but I'm manipulating it to how I think it tastes good. So, add 2 more teaspoons of sugar to the lemonade mix. So, alright, so I'm gonna get another, I
told you in the beginning I was just going to do a teaspoon of sugar
This is
and
the
5 packets of
exact
stevia.
measurement
That's what you can go
that
off
is.
of. And then from there, really, you can just do what you want with it. If that tastes good to you, then go ahead, fine. Do your own lemonade, you know?
Keeping
like,
one.
I was just guiding you the way towards it, you know?
You know, I think I'm gonna.
not really that
I'm telling you
exact.
exactly.
I'm just showing you a pretty good recipe, and then you can like go on from it.
But
And also,
kind of like sweeter.
if you have a really good lemonade recipe and you want to share it with me, then go ahead,
plain or sour.
send a link in the comments for a recipe you have on like one of your videos or a website or something, or just whatever. However you can show me the recipe, that'd be great. Okay.
I better wash this spoon.
It needs to be sweeter. Sweet. Multitasking, kids. Think multitasking. Hard to tell. I need to check again. Honestly, I'm also doing this because I want to. I can't wait to take time. I am thinking both stevia and sugar, right? So we're gonna. What we're gonna do? We're gonna do one or no. Oh, spilled. 2 heaping teaspoons sugar, and then
Try again.
we're gonna do
I should just
packets.
mix up a little bit more before I try.
of stevia. All right. Right.
It's not like sour, but it's not sweet. It's kind of like in the middle. So I think I'm gonna add a little more stevia. So I'm gonna add like 1 or 2 packets. We'll see.
All right. To speed. Ice. But you can put some ice in it so it's nice, cool, and refreshing. And enjoy your lemonade with your friends, family, and yourself. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy your lemonade. Goodbye!